Understanding no loyalty in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that can be quite powerful when used in conversations: no loyalty. This is a phrase you might come across in books, movies, or even during discussions, and understanding it can help you better express feelings related to trust and relationships. So, let's dive in and unpack what no loyalty really means. The phrase no loyalty consists of two words that are straightforward but when combined, convey a deeper sentiment. No is a simple negation, and loyalty refers to the quality of being loyal, which is a strong feeling of support or allegiance. So, when we say someone has no loyalty, we are essentially saying that the person does not show or possess the qualities of being loyal to others. It implies a lack of faithfulness or commitment to a person, group, or cause that would typically be expected to receive it. Understanding when and how to use the phrase no loyalty is crucial. Context is king, and this phrase is often used in situations where trust and allegiance are questioned or have been broken. It could refer to personal relationships, business dealings, or even sports teams. For example, in a story, if a character switches sides in a conflict, another character might accuse them of having no loyalty to their original group. Or in a business scenario, if an employee leaves a company for a competitor, their former employer might lament the lack of loyalty. Let's see how no loyalty can be used in some sentences. 1. After working there for 10 years, they fired him with no severance pay. That shows no loyalty. 2. She was hurt to find out her friend was spreading rumors about her. She couldn't believe the no loyalty she was being shown. 3. The fans were upset when their favorite player transferred to another team. They felt he showed no loyalty. These examples help illustrate the varied situations in which the phrase can be appropriately applied. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase no loyalty. It's a strong expression that should be used with care, reflecting the seriousness of situations where trust and allegiance are at stake. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase accurately in your conversations. Remember, learning a language is about grasping these nuances that make you sound more like a native speaker. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!